Tuscaloosa is one of the most underrated college football towns in the U.S. There's plenty to do after you've seen the famous Roll Tide play and browse the University of Alabama campus. So keep watching for a list of the best things to do in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. The Tuscaloosa Amphitheater. This 15-acre amphitheater is the largest outdoor theater in West Alabama with a capacity of 8,400. It's conveniently located outside the University of Alabama campus on the banks of the Black Warrior River, features beautiful landscaping, and hosts a wide range of concerts and events. The River Market. This site hosts the Tuscaloosa Farmers Market every Saturday morning. It's also a popular event space you can rent for special occasions. The Gateway Innovation and Discovery Center. This is the first site you'll see on Tuscaloosa's City Walk. It's a unique building with plenty of content focusing on the latest technology. It also offers free laptops and tablets to use, a growing digital library, and more. Government Plaza. This 5-acre park sits in the middle of downtown Tuscaloosa next to other memorable sites like City Hall and the Intermodal Facility parking deck. It also hosts several yearly festivals and events, including local bands on Fridays in June and July and the annual Live at the Plaza event in the summer. The Riverwalk. This path along the Black Warrior River is approximately 4.5 miles long. It passes shops, restaurants, a playground, and more. You can walk or run along it or rent a paddleboard at the docks. All these options let you visit its attractions and experience some beautiful views. Lake Tuscaloosa. This beautiful location serves as the primary water source for the Tuscaloosa area. It's over 9 miles long with enough space for most water activities, including fishing, boating, and more. The Children's Hands-On Museum. Nothing gets the mind and body moving quite like a museum where you're allowed and even encouraged to touch and interact with everything. Tuscaloosa's Children's Hands-On Museum contains permanent exhibits meant to stimulate children and get their parents and teachers involved. Its 3 floors contain 25 exhibits. Recent additions include Once Upon a Farm, Lil Sprouts Farmers Market, Beyond the Garden Gate, and the Creation Station. It also hosts regular events. Parks and Recreation. This is the place for almost any outdoor activity you could wish for. It contains 2,000 acres of green space, 35 parks, boat landings, 6 activity centers, an 18-hole golf course, event spaces, and more. The Bama Theatre. This historic performance space was built in 1938. Thanks to management by the Arts Council, it remains the oldest operating theater in Tuscaloosa. It's occupied almost 300 days of the year and continues to draw in audiences with its year-round performance calendar. It's a haven for theater fans, but it also shows off a wide variety of architectural styles, including Art Deco, Atmospheric, Moore, Italian, and Spanish. The University of Alabama. 3 unique buildings are the most historic features of this famous campus. Gorgas House was part of the original campus and now serves as a museum. The President's Mansion has plenty of green space to walk around in. Denny Chimes is a 115-foot-tall bell tower dedicated in 1929 to then-President Dr. George H. Denny. It's surrounded by the Walk of Fame, where Alabama football greats make their mark in the cement. All 192,000 residents of Tuscaloosa County can check books from the university's library, including students of Shelton State Community College and Stillman College. They can check out books in all formats from one of its 4 service outlets: the Main Library, Brown Branch, Weaver Bolden Branch, and the Bookmobiles. They can also enroll in the library's online learning programs. The Arboretum has a mission of encouraging biodiversity in Alabama. It includes walking trails and 3 gardens, one with wildflowers, one that's experimental, and one for children. The university is also a popular sports hub since it's the home of the Alabama Crimson Tide that plays at the Bryant Denny Stadium. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to Viewcation if you haven't already. And stick around for a lot more of the best things to do in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Bryant Denny Stadium. This spot is more than the home of Roll Tide, with over 101,000 fans showing up at every game. It also has delicious food like the famous Denny dogs and houses the Walk of Champions with statues of championship-winning coaches. Heritage House Coffee and Tea. You'll love this cozy, cafe-like spot as much as Tuscaloosa's locals and college students do. Visit either of its 2 locations to choose from its large coffee, breakfast, and lunch menu, pick up a cute trinket, or just enjoy its antique decor. Monarch Espresso Bar. University of Alabama alumni Paul and Audrey Vermelia opened this spot after graduating. Its menu is made up of specialty drinks named after their friends. It also features a bed and breakfast loft space. Avenue Pub. This spot offers creative cocktails and twists on typical comfort food for any time of day. It also has a cool but casual atmosphere. Try a signature drink, eat the huevos rancheros or chicken biscuit and gravy for breakfast, eat the Thai nachos for lunch or dinner, and try the bacon burger whenever you get hungry. The historic Wayside restaurant. This popular breakfast spot hidden away in a crimson cottage was a favorite of football coach Paul Bear Bryant. You can sit at his favorite table and order his favorite country ham or enjoy any of the restaurant's other country comfort dishes. 5. This restaurant gets its name for the 5 dishes on its selective menu. The real draw is its unique Sunday events. Try the Sunday Jazz Brunch and build your own Bloody Mary bar, or visit in September for a $5 burger with homemade bacon relish. You can also stop by 5 Java next door if you'd rather get coffee. Rama Jama's. This spot sits only a few feet outside of Bryant Denny Stadium and is the best place to refuel after watching a nail-biting game. They serve breakfast all day, as well as other dishes such as biscuits, burgers, fries, hot dogs, and milkshakes. Each one has Roll Tide-inspired names like 17 National Champ Burger, the SEC Champ Breakfast, and Ain't Nothing But a Winner Polish Hot Dog. 301 Bistro, Bar, and Beer Garden. This restaurant was built on a former 1912 railroad passenger station. It maintains a historic air while offering an impressive menu. Enjoy a charcuterie board or giant pretzel with your drinks in the beer garden, listen to live jazz with your Sunday brunch, or try its custom cocktails and reimagined southern dishes. Heat Pizza Bar. This spot isn't the most historic, having only opened in 2015, but it's still one of the best things to do in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Its outdoor patio provides a great view of Government Plaza, and it offers exclusive dishes such as its Thai chicken pizza and spicy kale Cobb salad. It also has signature cocktails such as the Cucumber Smash, Strawberry and Peach Runner, Buffalo Soldier, Vodka and Basil Gimlet, First Lady, and Wall Street. Innisfree Irish Pub. This pub has become such a popular destination for college students that they proudly wear hats and t-shirts with its slogan, "Head to the Free." All their dishes, including chicken fingers, french fries, and wraps, are enhanced by their signature Irish gold sauce. Eating outside on their patio also adds to the experience. Hooligans. This red and white building with a red awning sits right next to Innisfree. It's a small spot with a menu that combines classic Southern comfort food with Mediterranean favorites. City Cafe. This historic location has been part of downtown Northport since 1931. It's so popular that it usually has a line out the door during peak lunch hours. Their breakfast is worth coming for, but their lunches are delicious, large, and rarely cost more than $10. Archibald and Woodrows Barbecue. This family-owned restaurant began serving hickory-smoked ribs in 1962. It became one of the most popular barbecue spots in Tuscaloosa and has been recognized nationally more than once. Big Bad Wolves. This restaurant is only open on game days, but it's worth the wait. Their most popular dish is their customizable barbecue nachos. Dreamland Bar-B-Q. John Big Daddy Bishop opened the original location of this famous Alabama chain in Tuscaloosa in 1958. Locals insist the food here is better than other locations. Start by dunking your bread in Dreamland's famous sauce, order ribs, and get banana pudding for dessert. Chuck's Fish. This is another chain that opened its original location in Tuscaloosa. It offers fresh seafood from the Harbor Docks Market in Destin, Florida. This means it's one of the few locations in the area to get quality sushi, but you can also try the fresh fish of the day or panid chicken. Evangeline's. This is one of the most romantic, exclusive, and elegant spots in Tuscaloosa. The menu features fresh local produce and quality seafood. River. This restaurant gets its name from its location on the Black Warrior River. It offers beautiful views and enough outdoor seating for everyone. A few of its delicious brunch options on Saturday and Sunday mornings include beignets with espresso cream, butter pecan pancakes, fried oyster benedict, and a smoked chicken hot brown. Go during happy hour for drinks and appetizers such as flatbreads and roasted oysters. Come for dinner for a range of surf and turf options. The Side by Side Restaurant. This restaurant is part of the Embassy Suites Hotel. It has a quality bar, and you'll enjoy plenty of natural light even if you don't choose its outdoor seating. It offers a seasonal menu with fresh produce. You can also come at happy hour from 4 to 7 p.m. for drinks, small plates, or $1 oysters. Catch 22. This is one of the best places to go in Tuscaloosa for cocktails. You can choose from any of the gallon jars of vodka distilled with fruits and vegetables that sit behind the bar. A few are bizarre, such as the pickle vodka, but they all offer a more traditional drinking experience as well. Carpe Vino. Wine lovers will enjoy a day at this place. You can schedule a group wine tasting, join a formal tasting and process, sample recommendations, or leave with a bottle of your own. Loosa Brews. You'll still have plenty to do at this spot after sampling any of the 63 beers it has on tap or visiting its package store for a wine or a bottle of liquor. It also has recreational activities, including an arcade, pinball parlor, and ping pong. Alcove International Tavern. This small bar opened in 2009 as the first smoke-free bar in Tuscaloosa. It's difficult to find but offers a comfortable place to enjoy spirits, wine, and beer. Session Bar. This spot only opened in the fall of 2019 but has already become a popular hangout. It serves a rotating menu of cocktails and wine, and its patio provides beautiful views. Kentuck Art Center and Festival. This campus has 5 buildings with artist studios, galleries, a classroom, a store, the Courtyard of Wonders, and a big red dog named Rusty. It hosts a free arts night on the first Thursday of every month, but be sure to visit in October for the Kentuck Festival of the Arts. The event attracts over 10,000 visitors every year and hosts hundreds of exhibitions, enhanced by live music, food trucks, craft beer, and children's activities. Moundville Archeological Park. This Native American heritage site is 326 acres of beauty. It has massive mounds, a nature trail, and a museum, and you can partake in the Moundville Native American Festival in October. Tuscaloosa Civil Rights Trail. The Tuscaloosa Civil Rights History and Reconciliation Foundation founded this trail with over 18 historic stops. You can see the Alabama Capitol Building at Capitol Park, the Paul R. Jones Museum, the Dinah Washington Cultural Arts Center, and more. Mercedes-Benz Visitor Center and Plant Tour. This is the only Mercedes-Benz museum outside of Germany. You'll get a sense of the iconic brand's history as you tour the on-site manufacturing plant and visit multimedia exhibits, or you can just shop at the nearby gift shop. Admission is free, and the Visitor Center and plant are open Monday through Friday. Snow Hinton Park. Children will have a blast at this location. Its most iconic feature is the tallest slide in the southeast, a 38-foot monster you can reach the top of by climbing a ropes course. Alabama Museum of Natural History. This spot sits outside of the University of Alabama campus. It houses thousands of specimens, including a dinosaur skeleton that hangs from the ceiling on the top floor. Paul W. Bryant Museum. This museum has everything you could want to learn about the University of Alabama football program. It houses artifacts, memorabilia, videos, and more. Woods Quad Sculpture Garden. This green space sits amongst buildings of the College of Arts and Sciences. It contains beautiful sculptures, the most famous of which is Goldie 1971. Quick Grill. College students stand in line to visit this small cinder block building. Its delicious late-night offerings include burgers, kebabs, falafel, and the famous messy fries. Nick's in the Sticks. This historic building was opened in 1953. You'll get a basket of biscuits the moment you sit down, and then you can choose from a range of comfort food options including steak, onion rings, fries, and loaded baked potatoes. You can also order the signature drink, the Nicodemus. Galettes. The yellowhammer is the official bird of Alabama and the official drink of the University of Alabama. The best place to get one is Galettes on the Strip, a bar that's been making them since 1976. Tannehill Ironworks Historical State Park. This park contains a Confederate monument and spots for camping, golf, hiking, and swimming. It also hosts events such as Civil War reenactments and monthly trade days. Tuscaloosa Transportation Museum. The Queen City Bathhouse has been transformed into the Mildred Westervelt Warner Transportation Museum. Its exhibits and educational programs help display and maintain Tuscaloosa's history. Now it's time to hear from you. Did we miss anything you love in Tuscaloosa, Alabama? Let us know in the comments section below. And before you go, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to Viewcation if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content.